Welcome back to the channel. Today let's try solving this worker with the highest salary problem. It is an easy category problem and it was asked in Amazon and do as coding round interview. So let's have a look at the input. So we have been given these two table, worker and a title, and in the output we have only one column, the space pad title. So let's have a look at the input first. Okay. So here we can see that the worker data, basically the worker ID, their name, salary, joining date, and department. Okay, and let's see the title table also. So in the title table, we have worker ref ID, worker title, affected from. Okay, so let's look at the task. So you have been asked to find the job titles of the highest paid employees. Okay. So basically we need to find the title, basically this column, right? If you see the output also, so this output column is title, right? So we need to find the title of the highest paid employee. So, okay. So what we can do for finding this, like if we see this worker table and a title table, these two tables are connected with the worker ID column, right? So here we can see that foreign key primary key relation. So how we can join these two tables? We can use the inner join, basically simple, right? So let's join these two data. So df equal to pd dot. We can use the merge, right? Merge title. Okay, and on. Okay, yeah. So here we cannot use on clause directly, right? Why? Because the column names are not same. So for that we will have to use left on. So basically, which column should be selected while joining these two tables from the left table? That is worker. So in worker we can see this worker ID. So let's put this, and from the right on. So from the right, we need this worker ref ID, right? And how do we want to join? We want to join based on like inner join we want to use. So df dot, let's try printing this. Okay, now we have the required data, basically the worker ID, their in worker information, and the title information. So if we see for finding this required output, we just only need the help of worker title column, salary column, right? And this worker ID we will also select just for sake of understanding. These two column will do our job, right? So let's select only these two column here. Okay, salary and the next column is worker title, and we need also this worker ID also. Okay, yeah. So for selecting multiple columns, we just need to put this in a list. Okay, now we have the like lesser data, so the understanding will be more clear. Okay, so for finding the highest paid salary, what we can do, we can have the ranking based on the salary. And in ranking also, we want to give the rank 1 to the highest salaried worker, right? So for that we can have the dense rank, and the order should be descending, right? Because we want to give the rank 1 to the worker with the highest salary. Okay. So for that we can directly create a column rank, and so we want to give the ranking based on the salary column, salary, and we use the rank function. So the methods should be dense, right? And ascending should be false. Why? Because if the ascending is false, that means the data will be sorted in descending order. So if the data is in descending, then the rank 1 will be given to the highest paid salary, right? Employee. So, okay, let's try running this. Okay. Now here we can see this assistant manager and manager are having the highest salary. That's why the rank is 1. And for the other, like we can see the ranking, right? So we have got, okay, let's sort this data in the ascending order so that we can see these two row will be like row 1 and row 2. So the understanding will be clear. So let's sort this. So for sorting, we use the sort values function, and we want to sort based on the rank column, and we want to sort in the ascending order, right? So we cannot give this as false. We need to give it as true. Okay. So here we can see assistant manager and manager are having the highest salary, so the rank is 1. Then leads are having the second and the third highest salary, so the 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now we have the data. So, but we are only interested in the highest paid records. So let's filter that out. So we can use the log function basically. So log lambda, let's write the filter condition. Rank should be 1, right? And if we see the output, we just need one column. So we can just select this column. Let's print this. Okay. Now we have the required output. Let's try submitting this. Okay, so this got submitted, right? So we have solved this problem. So this was a easy problem. There was nothing much. So for the same problem, we have the SQL and the PySpark version also, and the video solution is also there on a YouTube, my YouTube channel. So you can find the link in the description section. So if you like the content, you can like share, subscribe, and comment also if you have any doubt. So let's meet in the next problem. Thank you.